Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday. By this afternoon we're supposed to be feeling some really strong, gusts of winds. So not yet. Let's see, what time is it right now? It's 8:26 right now. And so this is what we have. I just put some of my planters against the fence. I don't think they're gonna fall. I just moved them away from debris that I think might fall on them. The other ones I cannot move. The other ones I decided to leave here and just see what happens. Hopefully they just make it through. I just was not motivated to move everything. It's just a lot of work. We were helping neighbors put up shutters. I helped her because she lives with a roommate, both females, so we had to help her do that. And I love my neighbor. She's 65. She's a very sweet lady. Anyways, so and then my husband was helping a bunch of people as well around the neighborhood. In our we have a Facebook page. Our neighborhood has a Facebook page, so we all communicate through there, and see who needs help and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, already I have, it hasn't even started and this palm has already fallen. I just shoved it behind the palm because you can hang from that and that won't fall. Not yet. It's not ready to fall, so it just won't fall. I moved that against the house. I feel like it's going to be pretty safe there, so we'll see. Like I said before, my concerns are not rain. It's more of just debris hitting my plants, so we'll see. Anyway, so a lot of plants are here. My house is packed with plants. You can't move them all, so they just have to, pull through and stick with it. So yeah, I'm sure many are gonna pull through. Look at this one, looks so happy. I'm gonna put her down just so she doesn't get knocked over. So yeah, that's what's going on. Already some of these little ones have tipped over. These plants, some of them are doing well and some of them are looking so, Hey Taz. Hey, that's my old man, guys. He's 15. Hey, what are you doing in here? You're not supposed to be in here. Come here. Come here. You like to pee on everything. No peeing here. Come on, Taz. Come on, Tazzy, let's go. Tazzy. There he goes. Males, they want to mark everything. I shoved some plants under there. As you can see, under there is pretty dry, but it was just in case. Those plants were here just in case something were to fall. It wouldn't damage them, so I just shoved them under there. You'll be surprised how quickly kalanchoys, they'll start to reach out for the sun. They'll turn and bend looking for the sun. Tazzy, come on, let's go. What do you think about all this, Maxie? Huh, Max? What do you think? What happened? These are here as well. I should have moved. Well, let me just put them closer to each other so that they can lean on each other if the wind is blowing on them. Maxie, what are you smelling? It's really tight in there. Yep, that's what's left. I did what I could, and that's it. My wind chime is still there. I was supposed to bring the turtle down as well, so the turtle doesn't fall over. Hey, Mr. Lizard, are you ready for the hurricane? There's a lizard there. Hold on one second. Turtle is down. I left that there hoping that it does okay there. Yep. That's it, guys. Now we just wait and see what happens. The most recent hurricane that we did have, and this was here, and it survived. So I'm hoping. Hey, Taz, come on. So I'm hoping they do well. Come on, Tazzy. He's like, I don't get to come back here. Let me spray everything. Hey, you, Tazzy. Come. My old man. I tell you guys, he's 15. He's my baby. He's the baby. He's a Chihuahua mixed with a Corgi. Oh, Galindo. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? So that's it, guys. Oh yeah, so I put that shade, even though we're not gonna have sun, but yesterday there was sun over there, and these are not used to full sun, so I just threw that on there just to protect it a little bit. We'll see what happens, guys. I just want to show you in here, this light came in handy. I don't know if it's enough light, but it's better than no light. So yeah, I'm glad I had that, put it on there, because now we have the shutters up, so it's really dark in here. So hopefully this helps my succulents keep some of their color, you know, and look good. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your prayers and support. My heart goes out to Bahamas. It does not look good at the Bahamas over there. It looks really sad. So yeah, my heart goes out to them. Anyways, guys, I'll see you another day. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.